The most important thing that you should take care of when you get a credit card is to always pay on time. It is your responsibility to ensure that you never default on your credit card. Like for instance, have you ever seen a banker call you and be like, pay your credit card? Do you think your banker would be worried if you default on your credit card? No. It is your responsibility to pay the card on time. In fact, the banker starts making money when you default on your card because that is when you have to pay interest. Go right now, click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money. So always pay your total amount due on the credit card. Generally, the interest on the credit card could range from 3 to 4% per month, which is 36% to 48% per annum. Yes. So if you are paying minimum amount due, even when you have balance in your bank account, you are incurring a huge interest cost. Credit card is one of the most expensive debt that you will ever have. So just because you own a credit card does not mean you can afford it, because affording a credit card can be extremely expensive if the bills are not paid on time. The repercussions of non-payments are very huge. Let's understand how this entire interest is computed through this example. For instance, you purchased a dress for 5,000 rupees on 1st January 2020 and your credit card payment was due on 20th January 2020. Now you did not make that payment. You either forgot about it, missed it, or you did not have money in your account. Now the entire January month has passed. It is February and the new statement has come to you on 20th February 2020. So you would have your original purchase of 5,000 rupees due. You would have interest for the entire January. Yes, the interest is computed from the date of purchase and not from the date on which your statement was generated. We hope that you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed it creating for you. So what are you waiting for? Go right now. Click on the link in the description below and register for our course Namaste Money, which is an online course on A to Z of personal finance. You will learn everything from your asset classes to how to invest in them and make your own financial plan. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. Lastly, don't forget, save hard and invest smart.